Hello, what's up guys? My name is Aditya Diman and welcome again to my YouTube channel AdiUNO. So today we will learn how to make an LED chaser in a parallel circuit with only one resistor. So before start we need one breadboard, our Arduino board, few jumper wires, one resistor, few LEDs and one USB connector to connect our Arduino board to electricity. Now before start, we need to understand how to make a parallel circuit with only one resistor. So let's go. So now we will understand how to make a parallel circuit with only one resistor. So you can see I have make a circuit. So there are total 6 LEDs, LED number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, and these LEDs are connected to our pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and these are connected to our breadboard. And now you can see here when the 5 volt is coming from the pin number 1, sorry, and going to LED number 1. So the LED number 1 use that electricity, and so the electricity comes to this point, and this point is connected to our register. So register will reduce the electricity flow and then ground. So then our LED number 1 will light up but with the register. So if you want to make a parallel circuit with one resistor, so you can do this trick. So now we have understand how to make parallel circuit with only one resistor. Now we can continue to make our LED chaser. Now first of all I will connect my Arduino board to power supply. So I am using my USB connector to connect my Arduino board to electricity. Now I have connected. Now I will take one jumper wire and connect it to digital pin number 2 and connect it to our Arduino board. Now I will take the red LED and connect it here. Now I will connect the negative point to this row. So I have connected my first LED. Now I will connect my all the LEDs. I will put the jumper wire in pin number 3 and this point. Now I will take one LED and connect it. So now I have connected my all LEDs to digital pin. Now I will take one resistor and connect it to this LED line. Now when I connect it, now I will connect this point to this row. Now I have connected. Now I will take my last jumper wire and I will connect where the resistor is placed, and now I will take this jumper wire to ground. Now our circuit is ready, and now we will write a code and compile it to our Arduino board. I have written the code already, so I will explain to you. Now what is happening here? So there is pin mode, and I have taken pin number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Now all these pins are output. So in void loop I have written digital write to high, delay of 100 milliseconds, digital write to low, and again delay of 100 milliseconds. Now this code is saying that our pin number 2 will send 5 voltage, and then there will be a delay, and then the 5 voltage will not there, and again delay. So I have repeated this code with all the pin numbers. Now in this step I have reversed the code, so our LED will gonna to reverse blow up. Now after compiling our sketch, our LED chaser is blew up. Now you can see first this LED is blowing up and goes here, and we have written the reverse code, so these LEDs are going reverse also. So today we have learned how to make LED chaser with only one resistor. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.